Are you making these 5 affiliate marketing mistakes? Let's fix them and get better results. Mistake 1. Wrong niche. Don't pick a niche just 'cause it's trending. It's easy to fall for the latest fads, but that can lead to burnout. Instead, find a niche that mixes your passion with profit. Think about what you love and what you're good at. Research to make sure people actually want it. This way, you'll stay motivated and set yourself up for long-term success. Mistake 2. Promoting too many products. Stop overwhelming your audience with a million options. Focus on 1 to 3 solid products that you genuinely believe in, like ECF or oneomnimarketer.com. Fewer products equals more trust. When you focus, you can provide the real details, build trust, and actually help people make decisions. Less is more. Mistake 3. No email list. Without an email list, you're basically leaving money on the table. Set up tools like SendShark to capture and nurture your leads. Build your list by offering value and keep engaging with your subscribers. Loyal customers equals more sales. Mistake 4. Ignoring analytics. If you're not tracking what's working, you're flying blind. Use tools like Google Analytics and your affiliate dashboard to see what's converting. Mistake 5. Expecting quick results. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick thing. Stay consistent, put in the work, and results will follow. Now you know what not to do. Ready to level up your affiliate game? Hit that follow for more tips and start building smarter.